If you're a creative person who wants to sell their designs on various products, print-on-demand platforms like JetPrint can be a great option. JetPrint offers a variety of products such as phone cases, t-shirts, mugs, and more that you can customize with your designs and sell to customers. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits and cons of using JetPrint as a print-on-demand platform, so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. So, how does JetPrint work? First, you need to create an account on the JetPrint website. Once you're signed up, you can start creating designs using their design tool or upload your own designs. JetPrint offers a wide range of products to choose from, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. Once you've created your design and selected the products you want to sell it on, JetPrint will create a product listing for you. When a customer purchases one of your products, JetPrint will handle the printing, packaging, and shipping, and you'll earn a commission on the sale. Now that you know what JetPrint is and how it works, let's talk about how you can make money selling print-on-demand products on the platform. Here are some tips to help you get started. The first step in making money on JetPrint is to research your niche. What types of products are popular in your niche? What designs resonate with your audience? By doing some research up front, you can create designs that are more likely to sell. Once you've done your research, it's time to create some designs. Make sure your designs are high quality and eye-catching. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and unique images to make your designs stand out. You want your products to catch the eye of potential customers and make them want to buy. Once you've created some products, it's time to start promoting them. Share your products on social media, create ads, and reach out to influencers in your niche. The more people see your products, the more likely they are to buy. Make sure your product listings are optimized for search engines. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions to help your products show up in search results. Include high-quality photos and detailed product descriptions to give potential customers a clear idea of what they're buying. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with pricing. Try different price points to see what works best for your products. You may find that you sell more products at a slightly lower price, or you may be able to charge more for high quality, unique designs. Benefits: easy to use. JetPrint's platform is user-friendly, and you don't need any design or coding skills to create products. You can use their templates, add your designs, and customize products in minutes. Wide range of products. JetPrint offers a broad range of products that you can customize, including t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. This means you can sell a variety of products to your customers without having to worry about manufacturing them yourself. No upfront costs. Unlike traditional manufacturing, JetPrint does not require any upfront costs or inventory. You only pay for the products when a customer orders them. Automated fulfillment. When a customer orders a product from your store, JetPrint automatically handles the printing and shipping of the product, so you don't have to worry about logistics. High quality products. JetPrint uses high quality materials for their products, ensuring that your customers receive products that meet their expectations. Cons: limited customization. While JetPrint offers a range of customization options, there are some limitations to what you can do. For example, you cannot change the size or shape of some products, limiting your design options. Limited branding options. With JetPrint, you cannot add your branding to the packaging or products. This means that customers may not remember your brand when they receive the product. High competition. JetPrint is a popular platform, which means that there is a lot of competition. You'll need to work hard to make your design stand out and attract customers. Limited profit margins. JetPrint takes a significant portion of the sale price as a commission, which can limit your profit margins. Lack of control. When you use JetPrint, you don't have control over the production process or the shipping times. This means that if there are any delays or issues with the product, it's out of your hands. And there you have it. How to make money selling print-on-demand products on JetPrint. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful print-on-demand business, but with the right strategies and a little bit of creativity, you can create a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business. JetPrint is an excellent print-on-demand platform for those looking to sell customized products without the upfront costs and inventory management. The platform is user-friendly and offers a broad range of products that you can customize to your liking. However, there are some limitations, such as limited customization and branding options, high competition, and limited profit margins. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide if the benefits of JetPrint outweigh the cons and if it's the right platform for your business. If you like this video and have not subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.